This video shows how to write a percent as a fraction. Let's say we have 5%. To write the 5% as a fraction, we have to know that the percentage sign just means dividing by 100. So we write 5 over 100 instead of 5%. We can simplify 5 over 100 by dividing the top and the bottom by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So we get 1 over 20. So 5% is equivalent to 1 over 20. Let's look at our next example, which is to convert the 10% into a fraction. Again, percent always means dividing by 100. So we can write 10% as 10 over 100. And after cancelling out the 0, we get 1 over 10. Cancelling out the 0 here means to divide the 10 by 10, which is 1, and divide the 100 by 10, which is 10. What about 50%? How can we write this as a fraction? 50% we can write as 50 over 100. And after cancelling out the 50 and the 100, we get 1 over 2. Cancelling out the 50 means to divide 50 by 50, which is 1. And dividing 100 by 50, which is 2. Generally speaking, I highly recommend memorizing that 50% is 1/2. By the way, when you have 50% of something, it's always the half of something. Let's look at the next example, 18%. 18% is equivalent to 18 over 100. And after dividing the top and the bottom by 2, we get 9 over 50. So 18% is the same as 9 over 50. What about 150%? How can we write this as a fraction? Again, divide the 150 by 100 and simplify if possible. So 150 divided by 50 is 3, and 100 divided by 50 is 2. So we get 3 over 2. So 150% is equivalent to 3 over 2. Let's do one last example and convert 12.8% to a fraction. We can't write a fraction with a decimal number in it, but let's start with it and then change it after to a non-decimal number. So 12.8% is 12.8 divided by 100. How do we remove the decimal? Just multiply the top and the bottom by 100 and we get 128 divided by 1000. 128 divided by 2 is 64, and 1000 divided by 2 is 500. 64 divided by 2 is 32, and 500 divided by 2 is 250. 32 divided by 2 is 16, and 250 divided by 2 is 125. So 16 over 125 can't be simplified further. So 12.8% is the same as 16 over 125. And we are done with this problem. Let's do a quick recap. Converting percent to fraction is very simple. Just remove the percentage symbol and write the number over 100. Then simplify by using the method for simplifying fractions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. This video is what I did for you. If you want to do something for me, hit the bell button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.